Okay, so Kendra's family has this tradition, like, after every Christmas, they, like, go all out and, like, buy an ornament and, like, they give it to somebody. They make it. Just kidding. They don't buy it. They would never buy it. Why would they buy it? Why would they buy one? But anyways, they make their own ornament, and then, like, I think they just give it to somebody in their family.
We exchange. Yeah.
They exchange them. And so, as you all know, it's December 26th, and they're due tomorrow to give their ornament. And, of course, Kendra, being the lazy person that she is, has yet to...
Oh my gosh, I hate the same way.
Has yet to do hers. But she's working on it right now. And yesterday as a gag gift, her uncle gave her, like, his teeth impressions that you get done at, like, the orthodontist or, like, the dentist. And, yeah, she's going to make an ornament about it. So I'm going to turn the camera over to her, and then she's going to show you a little bit more about it.
Okay, hi. Okay. Guess what we're doing? I painted the teeth red and green, like, hey, festive. But then Taylor and I were like, what can make it even better? Like, Christmassy. All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth. So, oh, baby. We're not
Wait, hold on. Let me get, before you knock them out, let me get
I got a little excited.
Oh,
Okay.
crap. She got in, knocking them out.
And watch out, you can't do this at home. Taylor, you spit all over me.
Good.
Just chip away, you know, just be it.
Go all out. Chip all out.
All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth.
Wait, hold on. It's stuck. It's not zooming out. Okay.
So yeah, there, and then wait, we're not done. We're gonna show you the finished product. We just gotta touch up, you know, some nice dents that got into it with the red and green paint that's from, like, freaking freshman year. Okay, you just gotta, yeah. Oh, that's a little guy I want to get in there. Oh shoot! All I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth.
It's so cute.
Thanks. Do you think I'm gonna win? I don't know
Yeah.
how we're gonna put it on the tree. We can just put it on a branch.
I think that we should start like a take-in Christmas ornament thing every year.
Okay. Next year you can do one.
Okay, so, I mean, comment us if you want a cool ornament.
We'll make you one. Maybe we should make a take-in one.
Okay.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.